The beginning of digital currencies denoted a progressive period in the realm of money. The flexible scope of cryptographic forms of money offers a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The eminent digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so on had their own advantage fad to advance. Notwithstanding, they're actually snuck a test of openness, straightforwardness, and tremendous exchange expenses. Allow us to have a fast look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. This was properly tended to by Bitcoin Money's introduction to the world, represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of designers. They understood that the enormous capability of Bitcoin could be additionally tackled ideally through a hard fork, consequently expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH started its life. Bitcoin Money. Functionalities of standard reception. Once BCH made its presence felt and unmistakable, Ziglu, a London-based computerized bank, chose to subsidize English pounds and numerous digital currencies like BTC, LTC, and presently BCH2. Clients owe BCH is using pretty much 2.1% of its block limit. Aside from that, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. The designers required a ton of patching up to show greater nimbleness in rolling out revolutionary improvements to the task's essentials. This could assist with pushing the BCH cost and market cap to new highs. Being quite possibly of the most seasoned player in the digital currency market, Bitcoin Money Value, the posterity of Bitcoin, has acquired confided in validity among big business organizations. Its conventions certifiable applications have additionally covered numerous significant classes that venture organizations might actually be keen on. Furthermore, Bitcoin Money's enormous local area of designers, which deals with the blockchain's convention enhancements, could be considered by big business organizations as a mechanical advantage. With Bitcoin Money showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto world specialists who solidly accept that Bitcoin Money, upheld by an essential vigorous algorithmic science and a reliable past exhibition, can be wise venture counsel yet provided that contributed brilliantly with the right cost measure. As per Guaj Bitcoin Money Cost Examination, Bitcoin Money Cost could drift least cost around $106 toward 2023 in the couple of the following months in. As per determined Bitcoin Money Cost, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto monsters as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH Value Forecast, it can generally really depend on $280.62 as greatest cost in 1 year. As indicated by the crucial examination and cost gauge, regardless of its reception, the BCH coin will generally confront heat till January 2023. Going by Bitcoin Money Cost forecasts that bulls might be back, the cash ought to wind up around $126. Aside from the ongoing committed series of engineers and researchers, BCH has teamed up with many regarded accomplices to foster the Bitcoin People Group drive. These activities incorporate Bitcoin Limitless, Bitprim, Nchain, Bitcrust, Electromax, Equality, and Bitcoin XT. Bitcoin Money ABC got enrolled in the Gemini trade, drove by the Winklevoss siblings, with NYDFS endorsement. Additionally, the quantity of exchanges for Bitcoin Money appeared to be developing dramatically. Bitcoin ABC and Bitcoin SV didn't figure out how to acquire a lot of fame. Be that as it may, both of these coins are as yet accessible in each significant cryptographic money trade. The Bitcoin Money Project Group is on a forceful binge to improve its advancement exercises. Breaking liberated from the customary method of activity, the group is effectively considering some progressive infrastructural upgradation. Aside from the ongoing wallet support, the Bitcoin Money People Group has likewise tried a beta message tipping bot, TipMapSpot, which empowers wire clients to tip different clients utilizing BCH. There is likewise news that the behemoth will think of its own hard forks, prompting numerous potential ways that assistants to hold Bitcoin to get free coins. No big surprise, this would be really beneficial to give a gigantic push to the cost of Bitcoin Money, and the imprint Bitcoin Money's cost today is exchanging around $129.59, with a flowing stock of 19,344,675 BCH. The market capitalization shows a strong $2,507,060,467. Despite the fact that the digital money has endured a few unsettled maneuvers, it makes certain to get back into the game, as gathered by specialists. All the more significantly, the undertaking is doing a ton on the development and improvement front, clarifying that the Bitcoin money cost won't ever go into insensibility. Bitcoin money can exchange on Bitcoin's past victories and believability, the other digital currency world, with the similitudes and divided history among the two significant monetary standards. There are hypotheses that the Bitcoin money BCH cost will raise a ruckus around town cost of $379 toward the finish of 2025, considering the guides it has made. As previously mentioned, Bitcoin money cost is the posterity of BTC. It is set to follow similar impressions and cost activity as well. Assuming the Bitcoin cost is going vertical, the BCH cost, as well, will profit from that in no time. Numerous specialists prompt that it is smarter to stop your assets in BTC till you gather the greatest and afterward redirect it to Bitcoin money cost for transient additions. With the market being totally erratic, gauging the cryptographic money cost is truly even more a bet in karma instead of an information-driven estimate. Bitcoin money value forecast 2023. Going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts, the coin's cost has been diverging from its way typically every several years. In 2023, Bitcoin money is supposed to arrive at the base cost of $112.56 and $273.46 as the most extreme cost, as indicated by Bitcoin money cost forecast 2023. There is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin money causing a slight recuperation. Yet at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recover its lost energy and crosses the $250 mark. There is no such thing as Bitcoin money value expectation 2024, expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin money will run the crypto market with an exhibition cost fixed around $347.50 in the long-term end. Bitcoin money is said to arrive at the base cost of $227.50, with a typical cost of $287.50. Bitcoin money has the maximum capacity to maintain and reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances. According to our BCH cost forecast, there will be an exceptional change in the Bitcoin money cost conjecture when contrasted with the ongoing cost. Bitcoin money value expectation 2025. Assuming the BCH cost goes the distance and mass reception gets number, it is definitely conceivable that Bitcoin money will be altogether more than its record-breaking high in light of our BCH cost forecast. Bitcoin money is said to arrive at the base cost of $300.30 and $458.70 as the greatest cost. That would mean, as per Bitcoin money cost expectation, it would have a typical worth of $379.50 in 2025. Bitcoin money value expectation 2026. In view of our own examination and Bitcoin money cost estimate, the BCH cost expectation for the year 2026 is $590.75. BCH gauge helps in effective financial planning with flawless timing. Bitcoin money is anticipated to have a base cost of $386.75 and a typical cost of $590.75. Bitcoin money value forecast 2027 as per Bitcoin Cash cost expectation. The token is supposed to have least and most extreme costs of around $505.05 and $771.45 individually. Simultaneously, the typical